Hola! Welcome to your very first Spanish lesson. I am Marco. I am from Mexico City. Today, I will teach you how to meet someone new, completely in Spanish.
And I am Sofia. 2 months ago, I knew zero Spanish, like actually zero. I could not even say hello properly.
She really did know zero. She once tried to say, I am tired, and she said, I am a tire.
That was one time, Marco. Okay, let us start with today's lesson.
Before our story, here are 8 words you need. Say each one out loud with me, right now. Do not just listen, speak. Word 1, hola, hello. Word 2, buenos dias, good morning. Word 3, me llamo, my name is. Word 4, mucho gusto, nice to meet you. Word 5, ¿cómo te llamas? What is your name? Word 6, soy de, I am from. Word 7, ¿de dónde eres? Where are you from? Word 8, estoy aprendiendo español. I am learning Spanish.
Got them? Good. Now watch how they sound in a real conversation.
Hola,
Oh, hola.
buenos días. ¿Cómo te llamas?
Me llamo Sofia. Did I say that right?
Perfecto. That means perfect. Me llamo Marco. Mucho gusto, Sofía.
Mucho gusto, Marco. I said it.
Sí, that means yes. Muy bien. That means very good. Now, ¿de dónde eres?
De donde? Oh, you are asking where I am from. Soy de Nueva York.
Excelente. That means excellent. Soy de México. De Ciudad de México.
Mexico City. That's amazing. How do I say I am learning Spanish?
Say, estoy aprendiendo español. Now slowly. Estoy aprendiendo.
So you say, estoy aprendiendo? Estoy aprendiendo español.
Muy bien, Sofia. You are a natural. Let us review the most important phrases from today.
How do I say hello?
Just say hola. It works morning, afternoon, and night. Hola is always correct.
What about good morning specifically?
Buenos días for morning, buenas tardes for afternoon, buenas noches for night.
How do I ask someone their name?
Ask, ¿cómo te llamas? Then answer, me llamo, and your name.
Me llamo Sofia.
And I say, me llamo Marco.
And nice to meet you?
Mucho gusto. Say it slowly with me. Mucho gusto.
Say it with us right now. Mucho gusto. How do I ask where someone is from?
Ask, ¿de dónde eres? Answer, soy de, then your city.
Soy de Nueva York.
And the most important phrase for every new learner?
To camera. Estoy aprendiendo español. Say this to every Spanish speaker you meet. They will be kind and patient with you every single time.
How did that feel?
You can now say hello, introduce yourself, and tell someone you are learning Spanish. That's a real start.
Episode 2 is in 2 days. We're going to a coffee shop. Marco will teach me how to order in Spanish.
And Sofia is going to accidentally order something very creative.
Oh, groan. I'm already nervous. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Hasta luego!
Hasta luego, everyone!
Before we go, we have a Patreon.
Every episode comes with a full transcript, every Spanish word with the English translation next to it.
And every month, bonus audio stories, only for members.
Link is in the description below.
Come join us.